Still gotta get used to the downshifting. Kinda messed it up there, but all good. So hope you guys enjoyed the POV drive. Just want to go ahead and get one done. No talking, just hearing the noise of that 5.2 Voodoo. This thing sounds crazy for stock. This is 100% stock, and it sounds like this. I can't believe it. Honestly, when I first picked up the car, I thought it at least had like maybe like a resonator delete, but it's stock. Everything is stock from factory, and I cannot wait to go ahead and open this car up. Gonna give you guys a quick little walk around. This is my 2016 Shelby GT350. Again, 100% stock down to the wheels and tires. Now when I did that last kind of pull, I did feather a little bit just because these Pilot Super Sports will break loose even though the car is still mechanically stock. The Pilot Sport 4S's I know are better tires. These are like the tires that were before the Pilot Sport 4S's, and I've had those tires on other vehicles, so when these are done, I'm just gonna go ahead and probably swap to those as far as the street tires goes on the stock wheels. But this thing, it gets down. I can't wait to see what it does with headers and E. Really open this thing up. But let me know what y'all think, man. I'm 100% gonna go ahead and remove this little front arrow here. This isn't really my thing, and because this was put on by the previous owner, this is like some dry carbon stuff. It's kind of like faded a little bit because this is a 2016 car, so I don't know when the owner had this on here, but you guys can see it's like kind of faded a little bit. So I'm gonna take this off around 2K time, after 2K I should say, and I'm gonna get some new pinstripes for the front bumper as well, because there are a little bit of rock chips. Not bad, you know, you'd expect it, especially how I drive and what these cars are used for. So you're gonna hit that, you know, rocks on the track, on the street, it is what it is. And also that arrow kind of like throws rocks up, and I don't like that, so I definitely want to go ahead and get that removed. But other than that, like, everything is pretty much, you know, from the factory. Catbacks stock. I actually think I'm going to leave the catback stock for a little bit. I do like the way it sounds, put a boiler attack on here maybe later on, but other than that, this is a GT350. Came with WeatherTech, which is pretty cool. Usually you don't see that, you know, down south type up north thing. I lived in Illinois. GT350 Recaros and back seats that I've never been sat in, so big dub. This is an 11,000 mile car, basically brand new. Oh, and I will add, this does have the Ford Performance short throw shifter. If you guys probably were wondering why the shifts were so short, and obviously the ball knob shifter. Now this is actually pretty nice. At first I was like, I want to put the stock one back on that comes with the GT350s, but I was starting to really like this, so I think I'm just gonna leave it. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do anything else to the interior, believe it or not. I think this is how the interior is gonna stay. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed the video and want to see more, stay up to date with the build for the GT350, make sure you guys drop a like of the vid, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on those post notifications. Been your boy Ears POV. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.